Kaizer Chiefs nil, Mamelodi Sundowns, Maraba Stars nil. I just want to say, let's just take this moment as fans to just appreciate Baba Nabi and his technical team, because I don't want to lie, because it improved really. And if we have continued the momentum available, now, that would be great. I don't want to lie, because let's speak about before Nabi arrived, all these other coaches they were playing into one route football yabo. Athi besingakwazi nokuhlanganisa ama-passes, simple passes ayi-5. You couldn't even ukuthi sihlanganise ipass ukuthi sinikeze umuntu ethe center, and then that person vele yabo turns with the ball. So I just wanted to say ukuthi I'm grateful. Let's just appreciate Baba Nabi and his technical team.